Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I am unboxing a package that I've been waiting for so long. I am very excited to share this with you. So let's get inside. This package has come all the way from Canada and has come from an amazing artist and YouTuber who many of you I'm sure will already know of, and that is Baylee J. I will pop links and all the good stuff for you to go and check her out. Oh. Right, so she announced a little while ago that she was bringing out a new range of stationery products. I had already shown you guys the Daisy sketchbook that she brought out a little while ago, and there's the mushroom one as well, and pin badges, stickers, all sorts. But then she announced on her Twitter that her new design was going to be a purple witch's hat, and I mean, how could I not? No, it was definitely a genuine moment of shut up and take my money. So it's all here. She's selling the items individually on her store, but I opted for the witch hat bundle, which just gave me everything with the witch hat on. So let's take a look. It's so cute. Her packaging just goes above and beyond, it really does. It's lovely. Right, these two little packages are an extra that I added into the order, and this is because as a lover of pin badges, I am forever worried about losing them. And on her website, she sells these. These are like little safety backs for your pin badges. So that will stop me from losing them. So I got 2 little baggies of those. They're sort of in addition. And then I have this. I've got a little bun sticker. It's very cute. I'm gonna have to try and open it in a way that allows me to keep that somehow. Can I do that? Let's have a look. And carefully pull it back. There we go. And salvage our bun. Oh goodness, sticky stick. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. It's just stationery, but it makes me so excited. Okay, so this is the Acrylic Charm. So I've got a little note here just explaining that the Acrylic Charm has got a protective backing to stop it from getting scratched. So we can peel that off. But I'm not going to peel that off just yet. I'm going to keep it on there just for a little while. So this is our kind of, you know, handbag charm, purse charm, whatever you like. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love the fact that it's double-sided. It's got a little bit of glitter in there. Can you see the glitter? Yeah. And as I say, any little imperfections or scratches that you can see, that will be down to the protective coating, but I am going to leave that on there just for the moment. We've got our Witchy Notebook in a lovely cream colour. Really nice. I will be making many notes and lists on that for sure. We've got the Witch Hat sticker, which is on a clear background. So although it looks white at the moment, it is indeed on a clear background. We've got Witchy Washi. Let's just show that off properly. Where's the end? So that's the end there. Oh, it's good quality washi. Right, so that's our witchy washi tape. Very cute. I'll be using that in September when I start my witch canvas. Got the cutest little sticker. Baylee always throws in a freebie sticker, so this is my cute freebie sticker. We've got her gorgeous bun thank you card with stunning piece of artwork on the back. Really lovely. That's beautiful. Love it. Let's put that there. The pin badge. Oh, it's so lovely. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Really good. And it's on 2 pins at the back for extra safety. It's also lovely. Got a planner because, you know, planning's important, and this is going to become a necessity for planning out my videos and such. We get the art card, art print. It's, oh my goodness, it's just so lovely. And then the main reason. Are you ready? Should I turn it over? Look at this. An embroidered purple witch's hat notebook. So, I mean, this is I went with white paper inside. She does these with white or cream paper. I went with white. I just thought it was a bit more versatile for me. Oh, it's so lovely. Look at that, the quality in that stitching. It's just, I can't say enough good things. Inside, little space for you to put your name. Just carrying on the design through, and then really good quality paper. Oh, I love a new book. And it's got a really nice lay flat design as well, so it will make it really easy. It makes it really nice and easy for you to use it as a sketchbook. So yeah, so I feel utterly spoilt, even though I spoiled myself. So these things are just, you know, I love supporting fellow creators. I love supporting small businesses. And this was just one of those moments where I was like, literally, how could I not? These things are so lovely, so me. And to be honest, for what you're getting and the uniqueness of these, I don't think the prices are unreasonable either. I will pop links, as I say, to the store and everything else in the description, and I will let you have the details of the prices. At the time of recording this, the store is still closed because Baylee J is in the process of moving house, but I'm sure she will get that up and open as soon as she can. So I would say follow her on her socials, subscribe to her YouTube channel, and then you'll be sure to be notified when the store is open again. Just, I can't wait to use these things and decorate my space with them. Yeah, it just makes me happy. And that seems really stupid. As always, please do let me know if you have purchased either from Baylee J or from other YouTubers that have got specific merch that you might enjoy. Do let me know. It's always nice to hear what other people are buying, what's good, and maybe I will showcase those items on my channel as well. So in the meantime, huge thank you to Baylee J for producing these beautiful items. They are an absolute pleasure, and I am so happy to have been a little tiny part of your world and been able to purchase them. I'm going to leave this here and go and try and pluck up the courage to use this sketchbook for the first time. Please do consider sharing this video with a friend, leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in my next video. Stay crafty!